So Rivaj just launched their Glow Getters collection, and this has 18 serums, and these are the 4 that I'm going to be trying on today.
Rachel, this is serious. This is really serious.
So I'm going to start off with a rose serum. I like to cleanse my face before putting any product on there. And this goes on really easy. You just have to use a dropper. It's watery, so it blends into your skin really well. And it's supposed to help with texture and hyperpigmentation. It smells like roses, which is great. And as you can see, my face is already eating. So the mandelic acid goes on your palm and then it goes on your face. You can apply it in morning or the night, and it has a lot of anti-aging and anti-wrinkle effects.
Legendary, if you ask me. I love it.
Consistency here is also really nice and soft. It doesn't feel too heavy on your skin. Next up, we have the salicylic acid. You really just need a drop or 2 for this. It really helps with acne and hyperpigmentation, and it's recommended that you wear sunscreen with this. Because of their consistency, these serums are really easy to use. It's time for the Snail Restoring Serum now, and this is a game changer because it's not sticky at all, and it helps with blemishes and is really moisturizing for your skin. It's giving fresh. And this is my face with no makeup on, just the Rivaj skincare products. You can get these from any department store, or you can also get them from the Rivaj Cosmetics website. Thanks for watching. Bye!